Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to catch a fish in Fisch on mobile and how to play Fisch. So let's just get right into the video. So to catch a fish on Fisch on mobile, you will need to cast your rod and tap onto the shake button until a fish is hooked. Once the fish is hooked, you will need to keep the control bar in line with the fish line. You can do this by pressing down on your screen and releasing when you are pressing or tapping on your screen, and control bar will move to the right while you're not pressing. Screen will allow the bar to move to the left. You will need to keep the control bar in line and the fish line along long enough for the progress bar to fill up. Once done, you will automatically catch the fish. So let me tell you on step by step. Walk up to the some water and select a fishing rod from your inventory. Tap and hold down the screen, release to the cast your line, tap the shake button and catch a fish. Keep the fish line and control bar and align to the tapping and holding down on your screen to move the control bar to the right, or by releasing to the move control bar to the left. So that's how you catch a fish on Fish. So see you on the next video.